Hello, guys. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing Thursday. And if you haven't already, let's go ahead and tell the Lord, thank you for allowing us to see this day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a true soldier of the family, welcome back. And I want to share with y'all my bunnies. That was amazing, a great seller last year. I made six of them, and they flew right off marketplace as soon as I could make them. Soon they would sell, so I'm going to make some more this year and see how they do. I sold my baskets, yeah, for a good little price because I had a lot of stuff in it, and yeah, they bought them. So we're going to start with the boys ones right here. And with this boy one, I got a one of these earth shockers in the bottom of it, along with some bubbles, a crayon, a bath thing, a water gun, a arrowhead drink, frozen drink mix, a ring pop, some Rice Krispie treats, some Twizzlers, and some Starbursts out in the bottom down there. Up here, I got some cotton candy. I got marshmallow hoe. I got some animal crackers. I got some cookies. I got some patch, sour patch. I got some fun dip. I got some Skittles, some Starbursts, some sweet tarts, just a lot of little goodies up there. And so that's my boy one with this little bow right there. I thought was cute. And yeah, so this is my boy's bunny with the little boy ears, the brown and tan boy ears. I mean the brown and blue boy ears. Here's one of my girls right here. In the bottom of her, I got some um, old hen cards, a phone, that little phone thing that's made like a duck. I got some bubbles. I got a little bunny in there, which you can see it because the little cards is hiding her. I got some Starbursts. I got some Airheads. I got that bunny pole. I got some suckers, some Kool-Aid pop candy, and I also got some Kenneth sand in there also. So that's what's in the bottom down there. Up here at the top, I got a cotton candy. I got one of those blue raspberry ices. I got some animal crackers. I got some Cheez-Its. I got some Rice Krispie treats, some Skittles, Fun Dips, just a lot of goodies up there at the top up there. And that is my purple little girl's basket. I still got to put the feet on her. And this one right here is made with the iridescent pink. I embellished it with some pink bedazzle. I got the bunny tail cotton candy in there. I got some goldfish cards. I got a little bunny with the little a little color connect fun pack. I got the little let me show you. I don't know what it's called, but let me show you. I got this little butter cloud stuff from Dollar Tree. I got some what you call it? Play-Doh, Hello Kitty Play-Doh in there. I got some Hello Kitty erasers. I got some jelly bean thing that's shaped like a bunny in there. I got some suckers, some Sour Patch, Starburst, Ring Pop, Airheads, Sour Patch, just a little bit of everything down there with the bunny and the rest of those goodies. In the top up here, I got the icy drink along with some animal crackers, some fun dip, Rice Krispie treats, some Starburst, animal crackers, some fruit snacks, and just a little bit of everything at the top up there. So that's my little girl pink thing bunny right there. That's all that I made so far. I got 3 more to make because I'm going to make 6 of them. And yeah, that's the first 3 of the bunch. I think they came out cute, cutie, cutie, cutie. And yeah, especially with these iridescent little bunny ears. I think that brings out the little cuteness in them. So that's the first 3 that I made. I gotta put some feet on that purple one. But these are my first 3 that I wanted to share with you. Oh, if you are not a subscriber, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. While you're right there, go ahead and tap on that notification bell. When the drop down menu comes down, make sure that you click it to all so you know each and every time that I do a live or a video, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there to others. Drop down in the comment section and give me a comment so I know that you being here and I can come back and show you the same kind of love you just showed me. And until my next video, guys, I wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be. When y'all see this video, I hope you have a blessed one. And until my next video, you all be blessed. Bye, guys.